Hello, hello everybody. It is day 6 of the 6th annual Treasure Trovember. Welcome, welcome. If you are brand new here, just stumbled across this on YouTube, there is a welcome video. I'll link down in the comments. I also put in the comments all the supplies that I'm using. You don't have to buy anything special for this challenge, but if there's something that piques your interest, I do have some links below. If you haven't registered yet, go to explore.collagelab.com and /Trovember and register, give us your email address, and I'll send you a PDF with 30 tips for 30 days. How to best approach this crazy 30-day mixed media collage challenge. All right, day 6, the prompt is add something shiny. Add something shiny to your collage today, and then come back tomorrow for day 7.